Question number 21. මේකත් නිතර එන question එකක් එන්න පුළුවන් එකක්. 21. Write 4 factors Okay, you write down. Write 4 factors. Write 4 factors favorable for the fisheries industry in Sri Lanka. You write down. Four factors favorable for fishery industry in Sri Lanka. Did you write? What are the factors? Huh? What are the factors? Sri Lanka being an island surrounded by the ocean, it is also a favorable factor. So we have a very long coastal area, a long coastline around the island. It is also a favorable factor. A wide continental shelf. It is very important. මේ wide continental shelf එකේ තමයි මසුන් බහුලව ඉන්නේ. නොගැඹුරු මුහුදු තීර. A wide continental shelf. Location of bays, lagoons and harbors, because we have dented coastline around the country. So this dented coastline is very dented coastline is suitable for fishery industry, breeding, fishing. මාළු බෝවීමට මේ කොටස වැදගත් වෙනවා. So location of bays, lagoons and harbors are very important. The presence of rivers, canals, streams, tanks and reservoirs for fishing industry. Freshwater fishing industry, for these are very important for freshwater fishing industry. Presence of rivers, canals, streams, tanks and reservoirs. These are important for freshwater fishing industry. Plenty of plankton during the monsoons due to the activation of ocean currents. Ocean currents. Muhudu මොනවාද? මෝසම් කාලවලදී දියවැල් ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වය නිසා මත්ස්‍ය ආහාර බහුල වීම ප්ලැන්ටම් වගේ මත්ස්‍ය ආහාර බහුල වීම ඉතා වැදගත්. කවුද පුතේ චතුර කියලා ජොයින් උනේ දැන්? චතුර කියලා ජොයින් උනේ කවුද? නදීද්ද? Next one, 21, 22. 22. Mention 4 issues. Mention 4 issues related to land utilization. Land utilization. Land utilization. Agricultural activities වලට crop cultivation, fishing industry, dairy farming මේ ඔක්කොම කිව්වම land utilization එකක් තමයි තියෙන්නේ භූමි භාවිතය. What are the problems? What are the issues related to land utilization? You write down. What are the issues related to land utilization? What are the issues? Mention 4 issues related to land utilization in Sri Lanka.
Scarcity of lands and fragmentation.
Yes, fragmentation is a very big problem. Scarcity of land and fragmentation. ඉදන් කොටස් වෙනවා ඊගාවට හිග වෙනවා නේද? දැන් ඔය coconut cultivation එහෙම land වල තියෙන ගැටලුවම තමයි මේ fragmentation of land. එහෙනම් අපි අර coconut cultivation එක promote කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් තමයි prohibiting coconut land fragmentation. Also we can write down coconut land කට්ටි කරලා විකිනීම මේ කුඩා කට්ටි කිරීම තහනම් කරන්න ඕනේ. Reclamation of paddy lands. ඊගවට කුඹුරු ඉඩම් ගොඩ කරාම paddy cultivation එක කරගන්න බැරි තත්ත්වයක් තියෙනවා. Using agricultural land for other purposes. Coconut rubber lands being blocked out in small plots. කුඩා කෑලි වලට කඩලා විකුණනවා නේද? Land being used for construction of houses and for other development purposes due to due to the rapid increase of population. Lower harvest due to the cultivation of crop in the same land for a long period of time. Paddy, tea, coconut, rubber lands මේ දීර්ඝ කාලයක් තිස්සේ එකම භෝගය වගා කිරීම නිසා මේවායේ මේ අස්වැන්න අඩු වෙනවා. 23. Mention for environmental issues related to agricultural land. Agriculture in Sri Lanka. Mention 4 environmental issues related to agriculture in Sri Lanka. You write down answer for this one also. Mention 4 environmental issues related to agriculture in Sri Lanka. What are the environmental issues? පාරිසරික ගැටලු. environmental issues කියන්නේ පුතේ මෙතන පාරිසරික ගැටලු. කෘෂි කර්මාන්තය හා සම්බන්ධව තියෙන පාරිසරික ගැටලු. What are the environmental issues? Facing epidemic and diseases caused by insect. දැන් අර දැලඹුවෙක්ගෙන් ආවේ ඒක මේ සතුන්ගේ කෘමි හානි නේද? Facing epidemic and diseases caused by insects. Coconut diseases by beetle, mite attacks, vegetable and fruit by various type of animals. Vegetable and fruits by mainly bugs. Pitimakuna neither. Dairy farming, hoof and mouth diseases. Gava kura roga neither. Mukha roga. Destruction of crops due to floods, landslide, drought, heavy rains. This is also called as environmental issue. Problems created in the fishing industry through cyclones, oceans, currents, and tsunami conditions. Tsunami ahamath කාලයක් යනකම් ආයි දීවර කටයුතු කරන්න බැරි වුණා. දැන් ඊගාවට මේ අර human activity එකක් නිසා මේ fishing industry එකට disturb වුණානේ නේද? අර මේ leakage of oil from a ship, it also a problem, but it is not an environmental problem. It is human activity. Health problem occur because of the pollution of water, land, and air due to the use of fertilizer, insecticides, weedicides, extinction of animals and plants essential for the existence of the ecosystem. මේ ජෛව පද්ධති පැවැත්ම සඳහා අවශ්‍ය ශාක සත්තු වඳවීම ගැටලුවක්. Or releasing parts of plants and animals harmful to the environment. අහිතකර ශාක හා සත්තු කොටස් පරිසරයට එකතු වීම. These are the environmental issues related to agriculture in Sri Lanka. 24. Write the contribution to the labor force. Labor force in Sri Lanka. Labor force in Sri Lanka by agriculture, industries, service sector. Service sectors. You write down. Employment of contribution of the labor force in Sri Lanka. Agricultural sector के दायकत्व කොච්චරද? Agricultural sector in 2000 according to 2012. Agricultural sector කොච්චර දායක වෙනවද? Sri Lanka is an agricultural country. By 2012, the labor force involved in agricultural activities was 31%. Agricultural sector 31%, industrial sector 26.1%, service sector 42.9%. You write down answers. Agricultural sector 31%, industrial sector 26.1%, service sector 42.9%. Question number 25. Explain with examples මේ වගේ question එකක් last part එකට එනවා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මේක explain කරන්න මොනවා හෝ ලියන්න ලකුණ ලැබෙයි explain කරන්න point එක ලියලා explain කරන්න explain with examples කිව්වහම එතකොට ඕගොල්ලෝ point එක අදාළ point එක ලිව්වා ඒක explain කරා explain with examples the important of the agricultural sector of the agricultural sector for the economy in Sri Lanka. For the economy in Sri Lanka, you have to explain this. Explain with example the importance of the agricultural sector for the economy in Sri Lanka. ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ economy එකට කොහොමද agricultural sector එක වැදගත් වෙන්නේ කියලා explain කරන්න ඕනේ. ඔන්න දැන් පේනවා agricultural sector එක දුර්වල වීම අපේ ආර්ථිකයට මොනතරම් හානියක් වෙනවද කියලා නේ. එකපාරට මේ රසායනික පොහොර කාබනික පොහොර වලට මාරු කරන්න යෑමෙන් කුෂිකාර්මික අංශය තමයි බිඳ වැටෙන්නේ. agricultural sector එක බිඳ වැටෙනවා. එතකොට අපිට මොකද වෙච්චි හානිය? Scarcity, we have to face scarcity of food. ආහාර හිගයකට මුහුණ දෙන්න වෙලා තියෙන්නේ නේද? Vegetable, fruits, their costs are very high. Increase in the prices of vegetables, rice, it is a big problem to our economy. So agricultural sector is very important to our country because we have no foreign currency to import them. Then may export them. May export karanda may import karanda අපිට මුදල් නැහැ. We haven't foreign exchange to import them. So we should cultivate our foods. We should cultivate vegetable, fruit, rice for the local consumption. දේශීය පරිභෝජනයට අවශ්‍ය ටික අපි වගා කර ගන්න ඕනේ. Otherwise we have to spend lot of foreign exchange for import these food items. Because Sri Lanka is an agricultural country, so we have physical facilities for cultivation. We have fertile soil, water, as well as labor also. So we should cultivate we should cultivate for the local consumption, as well as we can export vegetable fruits for other countries also. Then exporting these agricultural items, we can earn foreign exchange. It is a good income way to our country. So we can save and we can earn foreign exchange by developing agricultural sector in Sri Lanka. You write down answer for 25. ඔගොල්ලෝ explain කරලා ලියන්න. Okay, goodbye children.
Goodbye.